Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Mint X1. The platform presents itself as an artificial intelligence-powered investment site, claiming that it can generate high profits automatically. At first glance, the website looks polished and professional. It promotes features like smart compounding, profit automation, and the ability to start with a very small investment. One of the most reported problems is with withdrawals. Users say that when they try to take their money out, the site does not allow it directly. Instead, it asks them to first deposit more money before the withdrawal can be processed. This practice is extremely concerning. A legitimate exchange or investment platform should never require you to deposit additional funds in order to get access to your own balance. If you already have money in your account, you should be able to withdraw it without conditions. Asking for more deposits before a withdrawal is a classic sign of a high-risk or scam platform. Many sites use this method to keep collecting money from users without ever releasing the funds. The website may continue to show growing profits on the dashboard, but when it comes time to cash out, the barriers appear. Some users even mention that after depositing again, the withdrawal is still blocked, and the cycle continues. There are also many negative reviews about Mint X1 on Trustpilot. People have shared experiences of being unable to withdraw, being pressured into depositing more, or losing their funds completely. While a few reviews may look positive, the large number of negative reports should be taken seriously. Thanks for watching.